Good day, my wonderful learners. Today's topic is perimeter of a rectangle, and this is the shape of a rectangle. Don't forget that perimeter is the sum of all sides. So by the time we add all the sides of the rectangle together, we are going to have length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. Don't forget in mathematics, in an equation, we normally collect the like terms. So we have L plus L plus B plus B. So we are going to have 2L plus 2B, whereas 2 is the common factor here. So we are going to bring out 2. So the normal formula for the perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into bracket length plus breadth. Let's solve the following examples. Number 1, find the perimeter of a rectangle whose length and breadth are 7 cm and 9 cm respectively. Let's solve this question. Solution. Our length, which is our L, is equal to 7 cm, and our breadth, which is our B, is equal to 9 cm. And don't forget that the formula of a perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into bracket length plus breadth. So therefore, P is equal to 2 into bracket, our length is 7 cm, plus our breadth, which is 9 cm. So we are going to add 9 cm plus 7 cm will give us 16 cm. So by the time we multiply, we are going to have 32 cm. Let's solve question 2. Find the length of a perimeter. Find the length of a rectangle whose perimeter and breadth are 36 cm and 10 cm respectively. The word respectively here simply means the first one to be mentioned here, which is perimeter, is the one equals to this 36, whereas the breadth is the one equals to 10 cm. So therefore, the perimeter, which is denoted as P, is equals to 36 cm, whereas the breadth, which is denoted as B, is the one equals to 10 cm. So we are going to apply the formula. P is equals to 2 into bracket length plus breadth. So P is equals to 36 is equals to 2 into length plus breadth. And don't forget that the breadth is equals to 10 cm here. 36 is equals to 2 times N, 2N, plus 2 times 10, which is 20 cm. So we are going to collect the like times. So we are going to have 36 minus 20 is equals to 2L. 36 minus 20 will give us 16, which is equals to 2L. And L is equals to 16 over 2, which is equals to 8 cm. Then the third one, find the perimeter of the shape below. The shape here, our length is 7.3 cm, whereas our breadth is 4.2. Okay, it's even in form of meter. So our formula P is equals to 2 into bracket length plus breadth. We are going to have 2 into bracket 7.3 meter plus 4.2 meter. So we are going to have 2 into bracket 7.3 meter plus 4.2 meter will give us 11.5 meter. And by the time we multiply, 2 times 5 will give us 10. 2 times 1 here will be 2 plus that one that we kept, it will be 3. 2 times 1 will give us 2. So we are going to have 23.0 meter, which is also equivalent to 23 meter. If you are yet to subscribe, ensure you do that right now. See you in other classes. Ẹni tó wọ́n tẹ́gbẹ́ ní tó bànújẹ́, kó lọ wọ́n tẹ́gbẹ́ dà kó lè dúpẹ́. Ẹni tó wọ́n tẹ́gbẹ́ ní tó bànújẹ́, kó lọ wọ́n tẹ́gbẹ́ dà kó lè dúpẹ́. Ohun tí ó tọ́ lóbi, ó ń bọ̀ wá ṣẹ́kù. Ohun tí ó tó pín, ó ń bọ̀ wá kárí. Ohun tí ó tọ́